Hola! In this video I'm going to talk about a new update we've done for StampManage 2019, May 22nd edition. We're coming out with the free update has already been uploaded. We're also going to update StampManage USA and StampManage Canada in the coming couple of days. And so let me just go over a couple of things we've done recently. One of them is under the reports menu. There's a Create Collection Report, which is basically an easy way to create a report based on your collection, and you can either use it or you can use it as a template to make further changes. Because we have a lot of predefined reports, but a lot of times people want different columns in the report, or they want the columns in a different order. Things like that. So anyway, I'm in the new collection report dialog. I've decided to output this report in landscape mode, which means I can fit more fields across the top. Let me just call the report by collection. Give it the name by collection as well. This is a mandatory field, so the program knows where to save the file or the template, report template. Now I've got some options here. One is show totals, which shows the grand totals at the end of the report. Show stamp image will show an image for each stamp. And now what we've got here, there's a new table of contents checkbox, which I will talk about in a moment. What you can do is you can group by. So let's say you want your stamps grouped by collection. Now once you've done a group by, the program needs to sort on that field as well, otherwise you'll have you'll see the entries from a particular collection in different places. It won't be consecutive. So you can always go and add additional sorts later to the report that you're creating. So let me say show group totals, which means after each collection, I'm going to show the totals, the total quantity, cost, and value for all the stamps in that particular collection. Now I've got at the bottom here, I've got the fields, and let's just say we want the Scott number to move up to the first position. I'll go ahead and do that. Now at the bottom here, I've got two buttons, Create Report and Design, which means it's going to generate the report and then open the report in the report designer that ships with the program, where you can make further changes. If you don't want to make any changes, you can select the second button, Create Report and Close, which just goes ahead and creates the report, and you can later use it to output your stamps. So let me just select Create Report and Design, and here it is right here, the by collection.lst that I wanted. And you can see here the fields that I chose with Scott number as number 1. And you can see here the sort order is stamp collection. If you want to add additional sorts within the collection, you can go ahead and add them here. So let's say I want Scott number to be the secondary sort. I can go ahead and add that. Click OK. And now I'm just going to save this. Once I've done that, I can output the report. So under report, let's say I want to do a report for all my stamps in all my collections. I'm going to select reports, output a report using all data, and got the by collection open. As usual, we've got the array of export formats and whatnot. I'm just going to select preview, start. And what it's doing is it's going through the entire inventory and grouping everything by collection. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, it's a huge report. This is a very large collection I was working on. And you can see at the bottom here, we've got 621 pages total in the report. And the table of contents field, remember I checked that. What that does is it just inserts a table of contents at the front. And if you've output to preview or PDF format, each of these collections is a clickable link. So if I want to go to the Stamps and Jacobs collection, I just click there, and it goes to the first stamps in that collection. Now besides these improvements to the Generate Stamp Report feature. We've also added the latest United States stamps up until, let's see, where it's got number 5371 Marvin Gaye issue, which was released. It was released April 2nd in 2019. And we've also been adding values to mostly to like the older stamps from the 19th century, and we'll keep adding values constantly for each free update. You'll see values now for Eastern Rumelia and Eastern Silesia and a few other countries. Like I said, mostly stamps from the 19th century. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.